problem when your lathe vibrates and no longer runs precisely round? A true nightmare for every turner. MPM's BMT150M balancing electronics eliminate these annoying vibrations and restore peace and precision to your machine. Next, in simplified form, is the operation of the mobile balancing device BMT150M. Using a vibration sensor and an optical speed sensor, the existing imbalance is determined and displayed on the portable control module's screen. Subsequently, these results are processed based on calculations and provided as instructions in the form of angular position and amount of correction mass on the display. The imbalance correction can be achieved either by using adjustable balancing segments, threaded holes, or attachable weights with a balancing ring. Next, we present 3 possible methods for balancing. Balancing ring with continuously adjustable segments, no tools required, weights are secured by centrifugal force. For small imbalances, use various bolt screws in the ring's threaded holes. Placement of counterweights for large imbalances on the balancing ring. Next, we will demonstrate a simplified balancing process using Method 1 with adjustable balancing segments. Step 1. Prepare, attach the vibration sensor and speed sensor. Step 2. Start the measurement run to see the existing imbalance on the display. Step 3. Enter the current angular position of the weights from the measurement run on the BMT display. Step 4. The BMT calculates the new target positions for the weights. Follow the display instructions and reposition the balancing segments according to the angular values. Step 5. Start a second measurement run and enjoy a positive result. Congratulations, you have successfully eliminated the existing imbalance in less than 2 minutes. Enjoy the smooth operation and increased precision for your application. This innovative high-tech solution revolutionizes the balancing of lathes and grinding machines, providing unprecedented precision and efficiency. With its modern technology, it not only enables faster and more accurate balancing but also offers user-friendly operation, even for inexperienced users. This allows for precise balancing work without specialized expertise, significantly boosting productivity and quality in manufacturing. With just 4 basic components, you are ready to go. BMT150M balancing electronics. Vibration sensor. Speed sensor. Power cable. Invest in your future today and benefit from significant time savings compared to conventional balancing. Avoid costly subsequent expenses, such as spindle damage, and simultaneously enhance the quality of your workpieces. The BMT pays for itself in no time and offers an excellent price-performance ratio. If you want to learn more about additional applications for the BMT, please don't hesitate to contact us. Our expert team is ready to answer all your questions and assist you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated on the latest developments and offers. Together, we can achieve your goals and improve your efficiency. Thank you once again for your interest. We look forward to your inquiries and seeing you in the next video. See you soon, your MPM Team Germany.